Hello, Nikolai Markovich from Echo Lake Technologies, echolaketech.com. In this video, I want to show you some of the behavior of Bubble's database and data structure design. So I've worked with a number of people and I've seen this peculiarity or behavior come up. And so I just wanted to create a quick video here to walk through it. And basically what I've done here is I've created a custom type here, a test data field. And then within it, I have a field called first name, and it's of type text. Let me just go over here to do a quick demo of it. And all I've done on here is created a simple submission with a workflow. So my name is Sam in this. And in the workflow, when the submit button is clicked, it goes and it creates a new test data field, first name, and then the input first name's value. And then I just simply reset the inputs so that I don't have to clear it out for entering the next name. So what I want to do now is go back to the data structure. And so say I mess this up and I accidentally, for whatever reason, I delete it. Okay, first thing you should know is that show deleted fields will show up here, and you can see that first name is here. Okay, but I want to go to the workflow for a moment, and you will see that it has disappeared here. So what you want to do is go back to data and click restore, and there it is. And you go back to the workflow and it is there. So this is just a simple quick trick to be aware of, that if you delete, again, if you delete it, you'll see this hide deleted, and then you can click on restore and it's back, that little icon goes away and all is good. Now I also want to show you that if you delete this, actually, yeah, and then first, and I type in and I try to recreate it, type text, okay, so first name, type text, it looks identical to what I have here below, but if I go over to the workflow, you can see it's not there, okay, and the reason being is because this first name type text field is not the same as this one here. So if I delete it, you'll see both of them in there, and restore, and I'm actually going to do this, field 1, and on this one, field 2 like this, and now if I go to the workflow, you'll see first name with the 1 on there. So just something to be aware of when you're creating your database structure, and if you accidentally delete one of your data fields, and this is also for the data types here. So you can see for the custom data types, it says show deleted types. So I've got a bunch of types that I've created and deleted. The same thing is here as well for the new fields. So if you delete it by accident, you can always restore it. If you do type them both the same, identical like that, Bubble will treat them differently, even though to you they look identical. And let me go do this, and back to the workflow. So now this is all whole again, and it will work. If I go back over here, redo a refresh, and it just adds on. So it basically is working as the design intent. It creates a new data field, new test data field, and so forth. So just be aware of this when you're going through and creating data structures in your fields and so forth, that even though they look identical here, they're not. They're different instances in the database, and then you can go and you can show your deleted types and then restore them as needed. So I hope this tip helps. If you have any questions, certainly leave me a comment below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I do appreciate those. If you subscribe to my channel, you will get notified by YouTube of upcoming videos which I am working on. Thank you.